Jai Sriman After listening dreadful words from Kaikeyi, Dasharatha Maharaju fell down as and how a huge big tree is unrooted and falls down on the earth. That is how Dasharatha Maharaju also fell down on the earth and started behaving so differently, abnormally, as and how a mad person behaves, as and how if one is suffering from a dreadful disease, that is how he started behaving. And again he is asking, "O Kaikeyi, who taught you all these poisonous ideas? Who gave you all these ideas? Don't you feel ashamed to ask Rama to go to forest? How can you even ask that? O Kaikeyi, come on, this is the time for you to realize, even if you send Rama to the forest and give this entire kingdom to your son Bharata, Bharata would not accept this kingdom at all, because I know Bharata is more righteous than my Rama. Bharata would not take this kingdom at all. O Kaikeyi, how can I ask Rama to go to forest? The moment I say, Rama, go to forest, the changes in his face, I cannot see that. The sadness in his face, I cannot see that. O Kaikeyi, I made so many arrangements for Rama Pattabhishekam. I got all my friends here, all my relatives here, all the kings from different kingdoms, they are all here. All the ministers are waiting. So many grand arrangements are being made. How can I convey to the entire of these groups and tell them that there is no Pattabhishekam, Rama is going to forest? How can I convey this message to anyone? Everybody makes fun of me. Kaika, please listen to me. If you say that Rama has to go to forest, how do I be again alive on this earth? Oh Kaika, what I am going to say to Kausalya, why are you sending my son to forest? If she asks, what I am going to say that? Say what I am going to, how I am going to answer her? Why you are sending my husband to forest? If Sita asks, how, with what face I am going to give an answer to Sita? Oh Kaika, when Rama, the moment Rama goes to forest, I won't be alive at all. Oh Kaika, I did not realize you are a personification of death to me. I did not realize that I have been living with death. I have been living with a personification, embodiment of death. You are my Mrityu. O Kaika, please listen to me carefully. I will not be able to do that. Please Kaika, like that he is requesting, he is scolding Kaika, he is accusing Kaika and also saying that, O Kaika, the moment I die, and the next moment, the moment Rama goes to forest, the next moment I die. And after this, I don't know what you are going to do. Any kind of dangerous things to Sita and Kausalya. Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju started attacking and accusing and saying words to Kaikeyi in every possible way. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे राजा रामा, हे हे सीतारामा, हे हे सीतारामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.